Hair masks are quickly highly potent, effective ways to provide your hair with tons of health benefits in less than 20 minutes. While some hair salons offer expensive hair treatments that yield similar results, we have decided to go straight to Mother Nature for our hair mask. For this hair mask, we need 1 egg and half a lemon. Let's break down the ingredients and their benefits. Eggs are rich in vitamins A, D, and E, proteins and fatty acids, which help retain the luster and shine in your hair. As your hair is mostly made of protein, this extra boost to the hair leaves it feeling healthy and restored. Lemon is the best for those with oily scalp, as lemon juice has the capabilities of absorbing excess oil and grease in the scalp. Lemon is high in vitamin C, which leads to strong hair, and its acidic nature will help you clean your hair from any deposited products and dust. Firstly, crack an egg, and just be sure to use only egg white. Then squeeze 1/2 of a lemon into a mixing bowl. Mix all together until you have smooth consistency. Apply to damp hair from top to bottom. Finally, let this mask sit for 30 minutes and rinse with shampoo and conditioner.